Ni mutaratara mumbunge wa tene wa Nyeri Pricilla Nyokabi arauga ubatie gucenjia na thibitari cikoragwo igitumirwo kigina giacio imwe kwa imwe kuma kuri thirikari nene. Akiuga ino noyo njira ya gutigirira ati thirikari ni yakinyaniria kioneki kiayo gia kuheana motungata ma ugima wa mwiri kuri muingi.
If you put 400 million in Nyeri level 5 hospital, it will become Tenwek. It will work like Tenwek because it will have 400 million that they can use for the services that they need. But now with the 400 million, what eventually gets to the hospital is not the full amount of 400 million that was earmarked as a conditional allocation to the hospitals.
Kigomano-ini na nyiti itemi kiria gigutafanitio ni kiama kia marigitani bururi-ini, Nyokabi arauga ati kiria kiri na bata ni guthurima kana thibitari ici ni cihuthirite mbeca ici na njira iria yagiriire.
The way we run our schools is the way we should run our health centers. All of our schools, when they need to receive their funding, they receive directly from the exchequer. The health centers as well. The same way we are running schools is the way we should run our hospitals. Our principles, the money that they collect is the money that they spend on running the institution.
Thibitari cia level 5 ikoragwo ikiungania mbeca ciacio na gucitwara gikabu-ini gia county na igacoka ikagairwo ni county. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Monica Kagoni.